Hey guys, if you're watching this video, then I can assume that you like to build and mod stuff. But why does the building and modding have to stop at your computer? This is the Mod Mic. Mod Mic allows you to turn any headset into a gaming headset. It's flexible and attaches to any headphones or flat surface, and it's easily detachable. It also comes with everything you need. It's compatible with PC right out of the box, current gen consoles, smartphones with a Y adapter, and Mac via USB adapter. This video was brought to you by bnhphoto.com. So about a week ago, I was challenged to a $600 computer build off by Mr. Bored at Work. He picked AMD and I picked Nvidia. Bad choice. I named this computer BOB, Ballin' on a Budget, or Bored at Work Obliteration Box. Let's talk about what's inside. The case is Thermaltake's Versa N21 ATX mid-tower case. It ran me $39 on Amazon, and it has a nice triangular window. It's also raised in the front for better airflow. The IO ports are hidden to help with that stealth design, and the case also supports a 160 radiator on top, and it supports a 250mm long graphics card. Obviously with this budget we can't fully take advantage of the case, but for the price this case is solid. The motherboard is Gigabyte's GA-H170M-D3H and it set us back $75. This is a micro ATX motherboard. It supports Intel's 6th gen chip, DDR4 RAM, and PCI Gen 3. Really high reviews on Amazon, and it should support what we're looking to do. 8 GB of Kingston HyperX Fury 2133 was installed, and we wanted to get some decent RAM that can handle some gaming rather than just that generic stuff. This was found for $40. SSD, we did go with Samsung 250GB 750 EVO solid state drive. I don't believe in using hard disks anymore at all, so that's that. Reasonably priced at $73. Now we can't mention a gaming computer without highlighting its GPU, so to no one's surprise we went with the GTX 1060. I was debating between this and a boosted card, then switch around some other components to meet our budget. However, I felt that this is the best combination. Now for the heck of it, we did toss in a MSI boosted 1060. It's not part of this competition, but we will have those benchmarks popping in side by side next to the regular 1060. Now to keep everything juiced up, we did go with the EVGA 430 watt 80 plus watt power supply. Overall, our grand total, not including shipping, was under $620. Obviously, prices shift here and there, but when we're getting the prices of the parts, that was a total that it came up to. And once again, guys, a big shout out to B&H. They're the sponsors of these parts. I was able to borrow those for this video. We're also playing in Quad HD widescreen 3340 by 1440. And these games were played on the max settings or Epic or whatever the game has for the highest settings. All right, here are the benchmarks.
Not like that at all. It looks like a hard X.
Now, as you can see, gaming for $600 is super easy, and rocking the boosted MSI did add a marginal FPS boost, not 10 like this guy said. But one thing that it did enable us to is to run a lot cooler and quieter. We averaged around 8 degrees Celsius cooler, and it wasn't as aggressive as kicking on fans like the vanilla 1060 did. Anyways guys, what do you think? Who won? Thunder E's video is down below right under that like and subscribe button. Also, you can vote by using the link down below too. Anyways guys, I'm Kevin the Tech Ninja. Like and subscribe and leave a comment, and I'll talk to you folks later. Peace.